If you're a type that don't like to eat fruit, then this video is for you. I find it difficult just to chewing carrots, eating cucumber. So what I tend to do is to juice it up and take the liquid. So if you're like me, this video is for you. I try to do this maybe once or twice in a week if I find time to, just so I know I've taken enough juice. So for this, you're going to be using a water-based juice, either pineapple or watermelon, something that has 99% of water, just so you can get enough juice. For this video, I'm using pineapple. You want to add other fruits into it just to give it a sweet taste. You want to add some oranges, some carrots to give it a unique color, some apples, some cucumbers, just to make the taste really nice. The essence of me using more carrots in this video is to give it that sweet natural taste. You want to add some lemon into it. This is optional if you don't want it, but I feel lemon makes the juice to stay longer. You want to add some ginger, is optional as well. You just go ahead and blend them separately or you mix them together. You can actually use your blender or you use a juicer. Before now I got my juicer, I used to use blender. What you want to do is just to add everything together in the blender and juice everything together, then you sieve it. But if you have a juicer, you can go ahead and use your juicer. Just mix everything up and you are sure you've taken fruit for that week. Don't throw away the shaft. The shaft you can be used to make your smoothie. I'll make a video about that. You can add that to your smoothie. You can add that to your fufu when you're making your fufu. You just add a bit of lemon into this and your juice is ready. So if you are like me that don't like to take juice, you want to try this. Thank you everyone for watching and God bless you. So again, Marthaalwell, please do me well to share this video, like and comment. Let me know if you'll be trying this. Thank you everyone. Bye.